Climate change presents an unprecedented threat to our planet. Pakistan is one of the countries most vulnerable to its devastating impacts. Rising temperature, erratic precipitation patterns, and increased frequency of extreme weather events poses sufficient challenges to our ecosystem, economy, and society. Reorganizing the gravity of the situation, Pakistan has to take legislative steps to address climate change and mitigate its effects. Climate Change Act of 2017 is a landmark piece of legislation that provides a comprehensive framework for climate change management in Pakistan. It established Pakistan Climate Change Council (PCCC), which serves as an apex body responsible for formulating and implementing climate change policies. The PCC is also monitors and evaluates the progress in achieving climate change mitigation and adoption goals. Key provisions of the Acts are following: mitigation. The Act mandates the establishment of emission reduction targets and development of mitigation strategies to reduce greenhouse gas emission adoption. It promotes measures to strengthen reliance to climate change impact include early warning system, disaster risk reduction, and climate resilient infrastructure. Climate finance. The Act provides mechanism for mobilization domestic and international resources for climate actions, research and development. It encourages scientific research and innovation to advance understanding and develop solutions for climate change. Awareness and education. The Act emphasizes on the importance of the public awareness and education on climate change, promoting responsible behavior, supporting informed decision making. Despite the comprehensive nature of the Climate Change Act, Pakistan faces several challenges in implementation. These include limited funding. The government's ability to allocate resources for climate change action is contrasted by competing priorities and limited budgetary resources. Lack of capacity. There is a shortage of trained personnel and institutional capacity to efficiently implement the Act's provisions. Insufficient data. Accurate and up-to-date data on climate change impacts are variable is crucial for evidence-based decision making and but the data gaps persistent. Political will. Climate change remains a low priority for some policymakers, leading to inconstant support for implementation efforts. Pakistan cannot afford to wait. Address climate change. These impacts are already being felt. They are expected to be worse in coming years. Immediate and substantial actions is required to, to achieve better results. Pakistan must allocate its efforts to reduce emissions by transmitting to renewable energy resources, improving efficiency, and promoting substantial land use practices. Robust adoption strategies are essential to protect communities for climate related hazards, including investment in disaster resilient infrastructure, early warning systems, and community based adoption initiatives. Pakistan needs to explore innovative financing mechanisms to mobilize the necessary resources for climate change actions, including assessing international climate funds and promoting private sector investments. Capacity building and awareness capacity is necessary. People should be aware how to work for it, and how these changes are affecting their lives. Climate change law in Pakistan provides necessary framework for addressing the urgent challenges imposed by global crisis. However, effective implementation is paramount to ensure that the Act provisions translate into meaningful action on the ground. By addressing the implementation challenges and committing to board climate action, Pakistan can safeguard its future and protect its people and contribute to global climate stability. The time for action is now before the consequences of the inaction become irreversible.